long does that thing record? It's not gonna hear my voice, is it?
Yeah.
Hi, Ian.
1 hour. But now it's only have 30 minutes left. 26.
Because yes, you may have the 6 or 8 retractors that you're supposed to have.
Hi, Ian. I had pho on Monday.
Sometimes
Yeah?
CS
Good?
thrown something in
So good. I thought of
They
you.
didn't know what it was. It wasn't
I'm gonna cook pho in this weekend.
You can cook it?
It's easy.
cavalry.
I love soup.
It's good like when you eat in the winter time. Yeah.
Yeah, you should make it Saturday. Saturday's supposed to rain.
This week?
I count every
Saturday's supposed to rain, but who knows with the weather these days.
That's so.
Okay, when do you guys give dressings?
After the circulator does the last count.
Okay, after the final count, okay? Okay, before we go, Kittners, I'll show you how to load one, okay? So everybody pay attention. Kittners, why do we use them?
I'm in my contaminating, so I pay attention.
Okay, why do we use them?
Which do you need the
Peon.
For bleeders, neuro cases,
Okay, so they use these for blunt dissection. Okay? That's the most common use for them. There are a few others, but that is the most common use. So blunt dissection. So this comes with a sticky. You can put it up here if you want, or you can put it next to your count sheet, or you can not take it off. Your choice. Sometimes you have 2 and 3 of these on your field. Depends on this. Remember when we watched the Whipple? When he was going through those dissections?
Yeah.
When you don't want to actually cut something, you can push the tissue aside. Okay? Adhesions, sometimes they'll use these. Or remember a sponge on a stick. We can use that for blunt dissection. This is a small version of a sponge on a stick. So just grab it here, okay? Push it down in and pull it out. Okay? Now these have been taken out a few times, so they look a little funky, but okay?
Use a peon?
Yes.
What about tonsil?
You can break the. You can break it. Look how much that's spread. Okay? You'll break it. You can put them on there, but you're eventually going to break it. Okay? So this is about how much you want left. Enough for a cushion, but enough to give you resistance when you push against the tissue to spread the tissue. Okay? So they're going to get into small structures when they do this. You know, ducts, small vessels. You want to dissect these out so I don't cut them. You cut certain structures, they're a pain in the butt to put back together. Okay? It's very tedious. Certain ones you have to put back together, you can't do without them, such as your common duct. You can't do without it. Okay? Otherwise, bile backs up into your body. Okay? So you've got to make sure that you have the right structure. So when they get into some of these dissections, big vascular cases, you're going to have these on your table. Okay? The deeper they are, the longer your peon. Okay? Because you can use the short peon for this. This has the medium peon. Okay? The shorter version, and there's even one that's longer than that. Okay? So, like I said, keep these with your counted area. You can set them in there. You can set it right outside and take off the sticky. However you like to do it. I don't like to stick them onto the field. That way if I have to bring it up or take it back, I can. But it's your preference. Okay? You'll find out what you like to do. And you don't forget there's stickies on the back of these too. That's what that's it for. So you can actually adhere this to your table so it doesn't move around on you. Okay? So you can do all those. That's why they have those on there. Okay? What's your preference if you want to take this off or not? A lot of people do. And that way you can load this one-handed. See, if this is stuck to the back, all I have to do is stick this in there with one, and I don't need 2 hands to do it. That's the advantage of sticking it on there. Disadvantage is you can't move if you need to. Not easily. Okay? You can peel it off, but it's a kind of a tedious thing. Okay? Some people like to keep them up here. If you don't peel it off, okay, you can take it down. Keep your hand on there though. Okay? Okay? If you don't take it off, you're going to need 2 hands. And if you want to pick it up, just put 1 hand behind it. So it gives you some resistance when you go to load it. Okay? All these kind of ways to get it on there. Just make sure when you get it on that it goes on there securely. The brown ones are usually called chair.